Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Green. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about few stocks which had given breakout in the past sessions and looking very good on charts for the swing trade. So without any further delay, let's start. My first pick is Jindal Steel, the company which is one of the leading producers of steel in India. They are also into mining and power generation through its subsidiaries in India and abroad. Now let's move on to the technical analysis of this stock. This is Jindal Steel chart on the daily time frame. If we observe here, the stock is making a bullish structure of higher highs and higher lows continuously. From 25th March, the stock picked up the momentum and gave around 69% return in 32 sessions. Now this shooting star on top of this bull rally is screaming at us, the rally is going to end, start booking your profits. You can see the stock was falling from there, making lower highs and lower lows, forming a falling wedge pattern and also gave a breakout. The price is also taking support at Fibonacci 618 level. So with this analysis, I took an entry around 395 levels with initial stop below 385. The levels I am marking now are the resistance levels. Whether to book my profits or to trail depends upon the momentum at each of this resistance level. Aditya Birla Capital Limited is my second pick. This is the holding company for the financial services business of the Aditya Birla Group. It currently operates as a non-deposit taking systematically important core investment company, which means they are principally engaged in acquisition of shares and securities. The chart you're watching on the screen is the AB Capital chart on weekly time frame. The price is continuously making higher highs and higher lows, which is a bullish structure. You can see that this 114 level was acting as a resistance till then. So now I am drawing a resistance line connecting all these highs at 114 level. The candle here broke this resistance with huge volumes and now this resistance is turned into a support. You can also observe the price took support at this resistance turned support line multiple times. On daily time frame, I see stock gave breakout from this trend line with expansion of the volumes. So in the last trading session, I took an entry in this stock at around 125 levels with stop below 114 on closing basis for the medium term. This 140, 152 and 165 are the resistance levels you need to watch out. My third pick is Raymond Limited, which was incorporated in 1925. This company is into textile and apparel sectors and also has huge number of outlets spreading across 600 towns and cities in India. Now let's see the technical analysis of this stock. On daily time frame, stock broke the previous swing high and taking support at this 404 level. This is resistance turned support line. You can also observe flag pattern formation on this chart, and the price action from the previous 4 sessions clearly indicates there was a breakout with volume expansion and retest with volume contraction. The target for this flag pattern is length of this pole calculated from this breakout level. Coming to my trading plan, I will be adding few quantity if it sustains above 455 and 460 level and balance quantity on close over 470. My initial stop will be 425 and these are the resistance levels you need to watch out. Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited is my last pick. This company is into manufacturing and servicing of diesel engines and diesel generators. This company is India's largest diesel agri engines and pump set manufacturers. This is an hourly time frame chart of this stock and the stock is making higher highs and higher lows taking support at this trend line. The zone I am drawing right now is a resistance zone. As you can see, there were multiple rejections at this point previously. This is an ascending triangle pattern with breakout of expansion of volumes and retest with contraction of volumes. So the target for this pattern is length of the base of the triangle. Coming to my trading plan, I will be adding this stock with initial stop below 252 with the pattern target of 300, which is 15% from the breakout level. So that's all for the today's video. This analysis is for the learning purpose. Consult your financial advisor before taking trade. If you like this analysis, please like and share this video. Subscribe and tap that bell icon. That's the only way you will get notified when we upload videos in future. Trade Green Official, all social platform account links are provided in the description below. Follow and join us there too. This is CA Vijay from Trade Green. We wish you all Trade Green for your next trading session. Thanks for watching.